is for Arctic char, Arctic char, Arctic char. It swims in icy waters, both near and far. B is for barracuda, barracuda, barracuda. A speedy fish with teeth so sharp, it's a real ocean star. C is for cookie cutter shark, cookie cutter shark, cookie cutter shark. It takes small bites and leaves round marks even on the dark. D is for dolphin, 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 jumping and playing. They love to spin. E is for eel, eel, eel. It slithers through the water, but it's not a snake within. F is for flying fish, flying fish, flying fish. It leaps from the ocean and glides like a wing. G is for great white shark, a great white shark, great white shark. A powerful hunter, ruler of the deep blue sea. H is for horseshoe crab, horseshoe crab, horseshoe crab. Older than dinosaurs, it's lived through history. I is for Indian starfish, Indian starfish, Indian starfish. With 5 strong arms it creeps so slow. J is for jackfish, jackfish, jackfish. A swift ocean swimmer, watch it go. K is for krill, krill, krill. Tiny but mighty, feeding whales with skill. L is for leatherback turtle, leatherback turtle, leatherback turtle. The biggest sea turtle swimming with grace. M is for moray eel, moray eel, moray eel. Hiding in corals, it waits in place. N is for nautilus, nautilus, nautilus. A spiral shell beauty floating with ease. O is for orca, 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 orca. A black and white giant swimming through the seas. P is for porcupine fish, porcupine fish, porcupine fish. When danger is near, it pops up real wide. Q is for queen conch, queen conch, queen conch, queen conch. With a swirly pink shell, it loves to hide. R is for rock lobster, rock lobster, rock lobster. Snapping its claws, it scuttles away. S is for sea anemone, sea anemone, sea anemone. A home for clownfish swaying all day. T is for tiger shark, tiger shark, tiger shark. A curious hunter, it eats all it sees. U is for urchin, you are urchin, urchin. Spiky and round, but don't touch please. V is for velvet fish, velvet fish, velvet fish. Soft like a sponge, it hides so well. W is for walrus, walrus, walrus. With big long tusks, it loves the cold swell. X is for zip, horseshoe crabs. That's a zip for sure. An ancient sea crawler, strong and wise. Y is for yellowfin tuna, yellowfin tuna, yellowfin tuna. Sleek and speedy, it zooms through the tides. Z is for zebra shark,